be right? But my dear, the answer is fourth. If you calculate here, the answer is fourth. If you calculate the answer here, so out of 4, इसमें से none of the above is correct, not. So your answer you have to write special NON. In NBHM exam, if you have a 4 option or 3 option, in CSIR, suppose these questions are there, and if out of 4 your answer is not matching, then what you will do? Then it is the freedom for you. You immediately attempt any option. If the question is wrong, then definitely an answer or fourth option are not correct, all 4 are not appropriate for the question, then you can get mark very easily, provided you have attempted. So, but for NVHM, if all 4 options are not correct, you have to write none again. Okay, am I clear to everyone? I believe that. So what I am telling you, before jump to the complex analysis, that is the very important. See, I request somebody again open the notebook. I will immediately logged you, so please remove the notebook. Okay, so anybody have any clue? Please help me. What will be the answer? Tell. Okay, so what I am telling you, if you remember something, that every relation is a function, right? Is it correct? Every relation is a function, or every function is a relation? Anyway, we believe that every function is a relation, but converse is not true. If you see that sine inverse z, what is the sine z? Or basically we can see in the real analysis, somebody log in the 2, I am looking here, it's showing that somebody log in the 2 system, it is not allowed. So I have a sin x, right? We know that the 0 also will go 0, and if you see the 2 pi iota, it will go also 0, and 2n pi iota, this will also go 0, right? So what I am telling you from here, 0, 2 pi iota and so on, it's meaning that more than one element mapping to the 0. So if we think about its converse, definitely sine inverse x should be work from 0 to, then the 0 will map to the many points, right? If we have 3 points, its output is singleton, then if you ask the inverse images of the point, definitely we have set, right? So what I am telling you here, the sine inverse z is a multi-valued function. So asking the derivative, this is, or I should say something more about this, then only we can say this. Here the sine inverse z is multi-valued function, so the given option are not correct. So the answer will be the fourth one. Here if you see, the log z is also a multi-valued function, so derivative is not possible. So that's why the answer will be your none of the above. Here if you see 1 over z minus z bar dz, whole complex analysis work on analytic function only. If we see here z bar is not analytic, so the residue theorem is not applicable here. Even if you see whole complex analysis, the two things, the whole complex analysis will go in the 2 part. One is single valued function, another one is the multi-valued function, right? So these two aspects of the complex analysis we will see together, right? So and also the analyticity is very essential. Okay. Everyone fine here? This is not analytic. We cannot apply the residue theorem. Even whole complex analysis we cannot apply here, right? The main complex analysis starts from the analyticity. So okay. So we write the complex number or complex plane or finite complex plane. This is known as the this is consisting of the number x plus iota y such that x comma y belong to the real number. This is extended complex plane, and this is written nothing. C hat is C union infinity. We can write as Z is equal to this. The first one, modulus of a complex number.
Sir, please close the.
What happened?
Please close the whiteboard. Please close the whiteboard.
Somebody open the whiteboard. Please, everyone, please pin to the. There will be sign, right? 1 second. Everyone, please, there will be one button option. If you can pin to the Science Vision Institute directly. Click the Science Vision Institute and pin the video. Everyone, please click the Science Vision Institute and pin the video. Then whiteboard will be disappear. Shekhar Rana, I seen that it was open from your system, right? Hello, Shekhar Rana. Everyone are highly educated. You should just remember you have to pin over the math. This Science Vision Institute. That's all right.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Anyway, so this is from the beginning. So do not worry. We will build our whole theory on it. From beginning, definitely it will take time because there are some students, some participants, they do not know the completely, right? And but they are curious, so that's why I'm starting from the very basic. But do not take, it will not take more than 1 or 2 days. Anyway, so the modulus of complex number, how will you write? Let Z belong to the complex plane, then modulus of Z is denoted by Z. This will be, tell me, anybody? Under root